So in today's video, I want to show you how you can actually transfer your PDF files from your Google Drive to your Google Docs, because it is impossible to do so by uploading your PDF file directly to your Google Docs. So in this case, I'm going to open my Google Drive, and then I'm going to click on File Upload and upload a PDF file from my PC. And then once it's done, it's going to give a tick box right below. But if you can notice, when we open the PDF file with a Google Docs, if the PDF had images, when you upload it to your Google Docs, it's not going to have any images in it. And this is what I mean by that. So, for example, I had opened this grief and loss PDF file that has an image right here. But the moment I do so using the Google Docs, it doesn't have the image. So this is one thing I'd like you to note, that whenever you open a PDF file using your Google Docs, the image is going to the image is not going to appear. That's just how Google Docs operates. So I hope that you find this video helpful. Kindly leave a comment down below, and remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.